All right, check it out. So I just got done soldering that pipe up. It's still kind of warm, but you can see how the flow of the solder is around that cap. Got nice penetration of the solder, and I wiped that little turd off the bottom. And I could put water to this and this wouldn't leak. So this is 3/4 type M with a 3/4 cap on the end. So now let's solder up this 1/2 inch. This is type M as well. All right, see that? Nice and clean. I'm gonna put some paste on it, soldering paste. I'll put this in the vise. Okay. I have my 1/2 inch NPT threaded by slip. I'm gonna put some paste on this. I haven't soldered in probably, last time I soldered was at work, and it was probably a couple years ago. All right, here we go. This is, I don't have a full bottle of nap gas, so I'm using propane gas. This is for your barbecuer or whatever. Works fine, it screws right on there. I like to go on the bottom of the fitting and heat it up. Done. And I'll show you with the mirror how it looks. You can see all the weld. See that? I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but she's on there. Now a lot of guys will use, they'll go back over this with flux to help cool it down. And then you can see and I'll wipe it down with a rag, but that's how you do that. Just takes practice. Auto out.